So friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to wear two hairs or multiple hairs on Roblox. So guys, if you want to have two hairs, it is very straightforward. You just need to go to menu and go to avatar, and now you have to go to head and body and hairs. In here you can see that I have only selected one hair. So if you want to wear two hair, you just need to right click on the hair that you want to wear also. Like I want to wear this hair also, the blonde spike hair, and just right click on it and copy the link of this hair, the new hair that you want to wear. So now you have to open a new basically tab and paste the link of the new hair and copy the asset ID of the new hair. Fine. Now go back to the web page again, to the official website of Roblox. Now click on this advanced option and paste the ID of the new hair and save it, and click on save. So now you can see that the two hairs has been selected. But if you trying to select directly by here by clicking on it, it will unselect the previous one. So if you want to wear two hairs, you just need to use this advanced option. But if you trying to add more hair ID in this advanced option, it won't work because Roblox do not allow more than two hair. Fine. So how to wear multiple hairs? So guys, you can see that I have two hair and one is hidden. So let me see. Yeah, ID has been added. If you want to wear multiple hair, what you need to do, you have to go to new tab again and type BT Roblox and go to this first link and install this extension on your browser. So this browser enables you to select multiple hair, or it also it is also enhance the website by modifying the look and adding core functionality by adding new features. So you just need to add this extension on your browser or enable it. So let me enable this extension. I disabled it for you guys because I want to start from the beginning. And once you enable, now you go back to the website and refresh your website here. Once you enable and now you go back to head and body and click on hair. And if you're trying to select multiple hair, you can see that you can select as many as you want. Fine. So that's how you can do it, and it will take time to load. Now you can see that my avatars had becomes mesh. So you have to choose logically which hairs suits your avatar. So I'm going to select this and this one also, and this one also, and this also. Fine. So hope you like it, hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. And you can see that my avatar has multiple hairs on his head. Hope you like it. Similarly, you can select multiple accessories using this BT Roblox. Okay. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.